Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best women's white cotton t-shirt available on the market, the Hanes Women's Long-Sleeve Cotton T-Shirt. This lightweight crewneck tee is designed not just for comfort but also for style, making it an essential piece in any wardrobe. Right from the start, you'll notice the quality of the fabric. Made from 100% ring-spun cotton, this t-shirt offers a softness that feels gentle on the skin, perfect for those who value comfort throughout the day. The cotton is lightweight, so it's breathable and ideal for layering or wearing on its own during warmer months. For those curious about the fabric, the ash and light steel colors offer a cotton-polyester blend, but the pure cotton white option stands out for its natural feel. The fit is modern and sleek, offering a slimmer silhouette compared to traditional classic fits. This modern fit is flattering for various body types, giving a clean and contemporary look that can be dressed up or down. If you prefer a looser feel, the recommendation is to size up, but the standard sizing does provide a nicely tailored shape without feeling restrictive. One of the standout features of this Hanes t-shirt is its longer length and straight hem. This design element allows you to wear it tucked in or untucked, adapting easily to your style preferences. The ribbed set-in crewneck collar adds a touch of structure and durability, while double needle stitching at the sleeves and bottom hem ensures the shirt holds up well even after multiple washes. Speaking of care, this t-shirt is machine washable, making it convenient for everyday wear without any fuss. The shirt is imported but manufactured with high-quality standards that Hanes is known for, which adds to its reliability and value. Beyond just being a comfortable and stylish choice, this t-shirt carries a sustainability certification from Green Circle, highlighting its environmentally conscious production. For shoppers who want to support brands mindful of their environmental impact, this adds a meaningful touch. In summary, the Hanes Women's Long-Sleeve Cotton T-shirt combines softness, durability, and a modern look at an affordable price point. Whether you need a reliable basic for layering or a simple yet stylish top for casual days, this shirt covers all bases. It's a versatile staple that fits well, feels great, and lasts long, making it the best women's white cotton t-shirt you can add to your collection today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in quality basics that don't compromise on comfort or style, this Hanes long-sleeve tee is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.